In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a no-code AI personal assistant in n8n. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that you can trigger on demand, powered by OpenAI, with optional add-ons like Google Sheets, Gmail, or Slack. This assistant can answer questions, draft emails, summarize notes, and help you organize tasks, all without writing code. First, open n8n and head to your personal workspace. Click Create Workflow, and the editor canvas will appear. Think of this canvas as your control room, where each node represents a step in your automation. Next, let's define how the workflow starts. On the right side under What triggers this workflow, choose Trigger manually. This adds your first node automatically and lets you run the assistant whenever you're ready. Now add the AI brain. Click the plus button on the canvas, search for OpenAI, and select the OpenAI node. This is where your assistant will think and respond. Before it can do that, you need a credential. In the OpenAI node, click Create New Credential, add your OpenAI API key securely, and click Save. Treat your key like a password and never share it publicly. Once saved, the node can talk to OpenAI. Time to teach your assistant how to behave. Inside the OpenAI node, write a clear, structured instruction. Tell it that it is your personal AI assistant with responsibilities that include helping you manage tasks, drafting professional emails, summarizing information clearly, and suggesting next actions when useful. Ask it to keep responses clear, concise, and actionable. Specific instructions lead to more consistent results, so be direct about tone and format. With that in place, your workflow now behaves like a focused personal assistant. Let's test it. Click Execute Workflow, then check the Logs panel at the bottom. Review the AI's output and make sure it responds the way you expect. If it's a little off, refine your instruction rather than changing the node connections. From here, you can add practical upgrades. To save tasks, click the plus and add Google Sheets with the append row operation. Then map the task, due date, and notes fields from your input or the AI's output. To send drafted emails, add a Gmail node, map the subject, and map the body directly from the AI response. For a daily briefing, switch the trigger to run on a schedule, have the AI generate a daily summary, and send it to Gmail or Slack. Your beginner structure is simple. Trigger manually, pass to OpenAI, then optionally hand off to an action app. Remember the mental model. The trigger decides when it runs. OpenAI is the brain, and the app node performs the action. That's the core of every AI agent in n8n,